there, welcome to Sayogini and I hope you guys are doing well. So today is day 6 of our practice. Just in case you have missed the earlier days, I'm going to link the playlist over here so you can start your yoga journey at any time. Today we are going to focus on spinal mobility and spinal strength. So we will do few simple movements today. This will help to strengthen your spine and to release tension from your spine. So let's begin by lying down on our belly. So taking support of your hand, slowly lie down on your belly. So after lying down, place your elbows underneath your shoulders. Be sure that they are in one line and extend your forearms in front. Keep your legs hip width apart and the legs will be relaxed. Now gently lift your chest, pressing slightly into your forearms and feel some length in your spine, not too high. Let your shoulders stay soft and you can gaze forward or slightly down. We will stay here for 2 breaths. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Slowly bring your head down on your mat and relax here for 1 breath. Take a deep inhalation and exhalation. Slowly, when you're ready again, raise your head and place your elbow below your shoulders and keep your forearms in front. Inhaling, gently lift your chest, not too high, and stay here for 2 breaths. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Slowly bring your head down. Keep your cheek on your mat. Relax your head. Now keep your arms by your side. Your palms will be facing upwards. Slowly take your palms and keep it underneath your thighs. When you're comfortable, now rest your chin on your mat. Now we will be doing half locust. Now slowly inhaling, raise your right leg up. Stay here, 1, 2, 3. Exhaling, bring your leg down. Inhaling, bring your left leg up. 1, 2, 3. Exhaling, bring your left leg down. We will repeat this 2 more times. Inhaling, raise your right leg up. 1, 2, 3. Exhaling, bring your right leg down. Inhaling, raise your left leg up. 1, 2, 3. Exhaling, bring your left leg down. So we'll do this once more. Also, while raising your leg up, you can take support of your palm underneath your thigh. So inhaling, take your right leg up. 1, 2, 3. Exhaling, bring your right leg down. Inhaling, take your left leg up. 1, 2, 3. Exhaling, bring your left leg down. Now slowly remove your palms from underneath your thigh and roll onto one side on your mat. Now roll onto your back, lie down on your back. After lying down on your back, keep your hands by your side, palms facing downwards. Now bend your knees. Bend your knees. Keep your feet hip width apart. Now slowly inhaling, bring your hips up. Go up only as much as it is comfortable for you. Exhaling, bring your hips down. We will repeat this 3 more times. Inhaling, raise your hips up. Engage your cores, engage your thighs. Now exhaling, come down vertebra by vertebra. Slowly. Inhaling, lift your hips up. Stay here. Exhaling, bring your hips down very slowly. One last time. Raise your hips up. Exhaling, come down vertebra by vertebra. Now bring your knees closer to your chest and hug your knees. Slowly roll side to side and give a gentle massage to your lower back. You can close your eyes here if you want to. Stay here. Take long breaths. Give good massage to your lower back. Release the tension from your spine. Enjoy this feeling. Now slowly extend your legs, straighten your legs and roll onto one side of your mat. You can open your eyes and taking support of your hand, you can sit back. Thank yourself for taking out this time for yourself. So enjoy this feeling, and if you feel relaxed and you liked my short flow, then please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you. Bye bye.